Welcome home to 3523 North Oriole Avenue in Chicago. This brick bungalow is ready for the next generation. The 3-bedroom, 2-bath home with an office and full basement is ready for you. Come on in. Admire the original woodwork, bay window, and architectural details. It's been well loved and upgraded over the years. In the kitchen, we have brand new appliances. The flooring has been redone recently throughout with freshly painted rooms. Upstairs, we have 3 bedrooms and an updated hall bath with a large landing, plenty of closets. Join me out back on this maintenance-free deck, hot tub, and a fenced yard. Grass has been replaced by river rock for easy living. The off-alley garage has an extra shed plus room for 2 cars. Are you the next family to enjoy this beautiful home? Come for a visit, stay for a generation. Welcome home.